In 1976, a young college dropout sat in a small garage in California. No degree, no money, no powerful connections. Just one dangerous belief. Technology should be simple, beautiful, and human. That boy was Steve Jobs. While others were building machines only engineers could understand, Jobs was obsessed with one question. How can I make technology feel magical? Apple was born from that mindset. But success didn't come easy. In 1985, the unthinkable happened. Steve Jobs was fired from his own company. Imagine that. The founder removed. The dream shattered. Most people would quit. Jobs didn't. He started over. He built a company called Next. He invested in a small animation studio called Pixar. While the world thought he failed, he was preparing his comeback. In 1997, Apple was almost bankrupt. And then he returned. This time with clarity, with courage, with focus. He cut distractions. He focused on design. He focused on the customer. Then came the moment that changed history. 2007, the iPhone. Not just a phone, not just a device, a camera, a music player, the internet in your hand. The iPhone didn't create a product, it created a new world. Today, Apple is worth trillions, but Steve Jobs' real success wasn't money, it was mindset. Stay hungry, stay foolish, think different. Because one idea, backed by obsession and courage, can change the world.